a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me.
Hello, my name is TrenijahG and welcome back to my channel. I have another one item haul for you guys. I actually been holding on to this for quite a bit, but I'm ready to bring her out even though it's kind of the end of summer, but it's okay. I live in Georgia, so we're gonna have heat for ever until probably January. A Coach item. I actually got this at the outlet when I went with my friend IKEA. I'll link that, that vlog below. It was a little something. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm already reaching. So we have the bag. I got the receipt in there, but that's, boring. And then we have the case. It's a little bit scuffed up. Like I said, I had this for a minute. I actually have not worn these yet. I'll be asleep or at work. Don't judge me. But I will. Got the, the fun color. When you open it, the sunglasses are in backwards. But you get this little Coach little pamphlet. Let's see. Yeah, no, it's just it's literally nothing on it. And then you get the Coach glasses themselves. Y'all, these are so cute. I'm not even a pink girly, but when I saw these, I was like, IKEA, I need these. IKEA, I need these. And I was trying to save money at the time. Of course, I see something that I wanted. And then I had also got candles for the outlet, Bath and Body Works. So I was like, yeah, no, I'm returning these because it was $70 and this was $70. Oh my gosh, look at her. Look at her. They're so cute. Okay, and then I'm going to show you this right quick because I think these are so cute. It has the Coach inside, and these are going to be their home. Oh my gosh. It has velvet-esque, material, so it doesn't rub against. I'm gonna put these on. They are pink, kind of this iridescent, well, not iridescent, but this clear pink all around. And then the actual tint of it is a little, it's not black, but it's almost there. What are you talking about? What? These are so fucking cute. Oh, yes. I specifically put on this dress because it was giving the girls, praying pink. We wear pink on Wednesdays, but vacation. But oh my gosh, these are so cute. So the reason why I fell in love with these specifically is because they were kind of reminding me of the Moo glasses. Ooh. So that's it. It's okay. They remind me of the Moo glasses, and these just was the best, most, affordable option, because I will get there when I pay $400 on sunglasses, but this year was not that year, I don't think, because let me see, if I do see something on a little sale, we might be singing a different tune. But I'm gonna put up a picture, if I didn't already, with the Moo glasses and how they have it in different colors, but it's still this clear color that they have. I think they are so cute, absolutely so cute. Yes, I'm bringing these girls out. I'm supposed to be going on a beach trip soon, I don't know, but hopefully, and I'm bringing her out. My daughter's gonna see the sun, okay, instead of the light. But I really couldn't justify spending that much on the Moo glasses because, first of all, I'm really just starting to wear sunglasses. Barely even that. I'm really just starting to buy sunglasses, but I haven't really been outside to use them. So we're taking baby steps, and these are legit perfect. So like I said, like the clear pink all the way around. These are tinted. Like the light is not bothering me at all right now. And then the clasps are gold, which I love that detail. It's amazing. And then you have like the Coach, if you can kind of see, it is a little bright, the Coach on both sides with the carriage. Oh, these are so cute, so simple, yet so stylish. I absolutely love it. And honestly, I really think I have the face shape oval to kind of pull off any sunglasses shape. But these are legit perfect for me. Perfect. 10 out of 10. Absolutely love it. Now, if you love videos like this, or you want to see what I'm currently up to, please subscribe. Comment down below. Let me know what you want to see next, because baby girl is running out of ideas. So let me know, and I will see y'all next time. Bye, my loves. Mwah.
Hey, better way.